Welcome to this comprehensive video guide on managing the RBS WorldPay module for your website. In this video, we'll take you through the process of customizing the RBS WorldPay module to align with your specific requirements. Follow along as we guide you through the necessary steps to ensure seamless payment processing. After successfully installing the module, navigate to the Modules, Payment, and Online tabs. Locate the WorldPay Hosted Payment Pages module and click on the Edit button to access its settings. In the Settings section, toggle the option to enable RBS WorldPay for your website. Enter the installation ID, callback password, and MD5 password to verify transactions. Choose between pre-authorization or capture processing method, set order statuses, and assign transaction order status levels. Then, choose the payment zone, enable test mode if needed, and enter a debug email address for notifications. Control the order of payment options during checkout by setting payment priority. Enter a value in the corresponding field. Lower values will prioritize WorldPay over other payment methods. Assign values for selected signature fields to be used with WorldPay. Now, let's set restrictions by limiting RBS WorldPay to specific customer groups, countries, and website pages. Also, specify the module name for both the backend and frontend in your desired language. Click Update to save your configuration. By choosing RBS WorldPay, you've taken a significant step towards providing your customers with a reliable payment experience. Remember, it's crucial to keep the module up to date to ensure smooth and secure payment processing.